What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, FNTCASE were kind enough to reach out and send us out one of the cases for the S23 Ultra. They were going to send us a two-piece case, but we said, can we maybe leave that and get a single piece? And they said, yeah, absolutely. So they sent me out a single piece case. Quick disclaimer, FNT were kind enough to supply you guys with a discount code, but it only goes live on the 3rd of April and it's only valid for 1 month. So I'll leave that linked in the description down below, and I'll create a community post on the 3rd of April letting you guys know that it's live, to head over and get yourself a little bit of discount on this case. Well, huge thank you to FNT for doing that, just for you guys. So be sure to head down into the link in the description and check out that code. Comes in this black box with FNTCASE on the front of it. You've got perfect gripping, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, precise cutouts, FNT high quality phone case. On the back you've got a brief thing about thank you for choosing us and where one of the UK reps is located on the bottom right here. It says on the top for S23 Ultra. I know it says S22 Ultra there too, but it really doesn't. None of these cases fit S22 Ultra. Let's go ahead, let's open the box. Let's take it out of its wrapper. Okay, so little card in there, says camera slide cover, protect your camera lens and privacy, built-in kickstand. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case. So there it is a hard plastic case. You got the camera slider at the top. It says discover new world across this side here. You got FNTCASE branding right here, and it's very square. It's a very square case. If you can see that on camera, feels really grippy in the hands, does feel nice. So you got these little grip slides here on the side, your power button and your volume rocker on this side, FNTCASE just on the bottom right here. So if we get the S23 Ultra and we go ahead and slap the phone in, okay, so there we go. So there, if you slide this open, as you can see, the camera lenses are really nice and protected in this. No matter whether it's slid over or not, they are really recessed into that case, as you can see. Grippy texture on the outside of this with little raised lips so you can grip it and slide. Obviously you got this bit right here, as we said, and then if you get this bit, pull it out, and you've now got a place you can stand your phone and watch your content. You can also stand it in portrait mode, so you can watch like TikToks, you know, slide up or whatever. Or you can also use this as like a little pop socket. So you just put this around your finger and you're not resting your pinky underneath here, causing any pain. You just hold it like this, and if you're taking a picture or whatever, you can do it like that too, and then just pop it away when you don't need it. But nice clicky buttons on the side. Cut out for your charge port, speaker grill and your S Pen. Nice and easy to access. Cut out on the top for your microphone. But as you can see, it is really thick at the sides. It is a nice grippy case. It does feel good, and obviously you got that all important what happens if you place it face down. You can place it face down because you got those raised lips all the way around the phone. Literally, I mean, that bottom one is absolutely humongous, and then you got the top one up here with your speaker cut out. But there is the FNTCASE for the S23 Ultra with that camera slider. So be sure to let me know what you think of this one in the comment section down below. It does look really good, but it is very plasticky. I mean, there's a few rubbery bits on it, and you got those extra protection there on the bottom for the feet for when you place it down like so. I mean, the only thing you're going to damage with this is the pavement when it drops onto it. It is that thick. I mean, that is an absolute humongous side rail to hold on to now, but it does feel really good, and it kind of minimises those sides even more than you already had. Huge thank you to FNT for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Huge thank you to you guys for watching. As always, I truly appreciate it no matter what. I appreciate you guys watching all the time. Thank you guys so much. If you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. For now guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.